Stock market tips for success in any economy. The stock market can be seriously overwhelming when you are just starting to trade. There are numerous things to research and remember, and there is always the potential to lose money. The tips and advice contained in the following paragraphs will teach you the right ways to invest in the stock market. Before delving into the stock market, you should have a basic knowledge about stocks. Stocks, which are also called shares, are segments of a company which people may purchase. So when you own a company's stock, you actually own a piece of the company. When it comes to shares, there are two different types, common shares and preferred shares. In terms of investments, common shares are the riskiest. Try purchasing some reliable investment management software to use when you invest. They are completely affordable these days, as is a high-speed internet connection. You don't need to spend your time and efforts trying to come up with the best ways to invest when there are programs out there that can help. It is important to remember when investing that cash is always an option. If you do not like the current state of the market, or are unsure of what to invest in, there is nothing wrong with holding cash. You can put the cash into a savings account, certificate of deposit, or purchase short-term treasuries. Do not pressure yourself into investing in the stock market if you do not believe the timing is right. As you now understand, there are many avenues that can lead to stock market success. Keep in mind the fact that you need to do thorough research and stay calm the entire time. The stock market is tricky and volatile, so remember to use the tips you have read above to help you earn some big money with your investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.